Hi! Having a hard time trying to figure out how to start this video off, so I guess I'll just start by saying, oops, I did it again. So as you guys know, I got a 3D printer, and since then the ideas have been flowing non-stop. What can I make? What can I make? So I decided again to make something that I'm going to share with all of you. It's a disc. It's an octagon, like a stop sign. Except, what's different about this disc, and I don't know how well you guys can see that, is it has some cool features on it. Now what these features do, well, it'd be easier to tell you how I got here. So in the last 2 weeks or so, I've learned how to use this program called FreeCAD. I can take a picture of anything, scale it off of a known size. In this case, the hexagon inside the little mag winder is 3mm. And then I can extrapolate the scale image of this and then CAD over top of it. And what I did was I made a mag winder. Fits in and it doesn't jiggle because it's got 4 points of contact, I believe. So you put it in, you put your thumb over top, you just crank your hand like so, and then less than 5 seconds later your mag is wound, and there are no annoying springs or cables or attachment parts or anything else like that to lose or break. It's literally one physical piece. I don't know why these don't come with your marker. I mean, hell, it's so cheap to build, it's friggin' criminal. Alright guys, you can find that file on Thingiverse. Just go in there, search Mech Tactical. I'll leave a link in the video description below. Thank you for checking out my product. If you have any other ideas of stuff you want me to make or design or toy with or look at, leave it down in the comments below, or better yet, go check me out on Facebook. I own the page Mech Tactical. Send me a DM with a picture or something, and the cool part about me learning this CAD is that, I know it's a bit of a sidebar, you can send me a picture of something you have with a measurement of it, and I can recreate it right here, all the way out in, I'm not going to dox myself, but I can recreate it right here and we can experiment and go from there. Alright guys, I hope to hear from you. Thank you for watching, and I will see you probably just as soon as this part's done printing. Love you, bye.